Alright, we're back with another video. Today we got a couple different things going on. My buddy Cade is here, so we're going to start with his STI, which I don't think you guys have seen yet. And then I got some stuff for the E36, but I don't want to spoil the surprise, so you're going to have to stick around. Alright, Cade, so what are we doing to the old STI today?
So we're going to be throwing that stage 1 tune on there, got the Cobb access port, and then throwing an intake on there, and then finish it up with some wing stabilizers.
Nice. Hey, when did you get this thing?
I think I got it about a month and a half ago.
Ooh, so pretty new, huh?
Yeah.
What have you done to it so far?
So far it's basically just been aesthetic mods, just changing the license plate and getting new emblems and stuff.
Cool.
And mud flaps and whatnot.
Right on, dude. Well, let's get started on it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take the old intake off. So we're going to start with this sensor, and then we'll probably take this hose off. And it looks like we got some bolts holding the entire assembly together. Nothing too bad, so.
I think it is 10mm bolts is what they are.
Glue attached to her.
Look at all that space.
What is that?
That's basically just to catch condensation.
That is
Ridiculous, huh?
That's silly.
That's
Alright, out with the old, now time to put the new in. Alright, intake's in. He's got to finish up putting those screws in there. Somebody lost them.
either that or they didn't send them to me. Thanks, Cobb.
But anyways, looks pretty good. On to the wing stabilizers. So we're just working on the wing stabilizers now. Let's see. We ran the tape like this, and we'll pull these center lines out, and we'll run the 3M through here and did the same on the top. So he's just lining the last one up, and then he's going to go ahead and tape it off. Check the level. Perfect, dude. Okay, so we're running the first piece of 3M. In confusion. Why do you got excess?
I don't know. I even cut it short.
What are you doing, boy? Why does it not go up here?
Because this doesn't even 6 inches.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna lift the wing up. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the one, boy.
Wait, hold on. I gotta get this.
Boy.
Oh, this was easy. Nice.
I'm gonna lift the whole thing.
You want to lift them right here?
You want to do this side first? This one? Okay. Too bad. Alright, one all in all, not terribly hard, not terribly easy, but with just some measuring and taping skills, came out pretty clean, pretty clean. What do you think? You happy with today so far?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
The old Subi got some upgrades. What's her name again?
Stella.
Stella. Alright, so that's it for her, right? Woo, on to the E36. Let's go. Alright, so I can finally tell you guys, this is the one thing that I've been dancing around with on the car, doing interior stuff, and I just finally made up my mind. I'm going to rip the rear seats out, rip the carpet out, the rear quarter panels. I'm going to leave the dash and the headliner and door panels in for now. I do plan on doing a door panel delete, but I want to have functioning door handles till then. So for now, those are going to stay in. The headliner's probably going to come later down the road. But anyways, this is kind of a big deal. I was going back and forth on if I wanted to keep it or not, but with looking at doing the hydro and everything, it's just so much easier if it's bare metal. And I kind of like the look anyway, so might as well just do it. Let's get started on it.
Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out.
You're hooked?
Uh-oh. There we go.
Alright, step one done. Onto the harness bar. Except you had to put the brackets in, that part was not so easy.
Yeah.
Nice. Making progress. Let's go. Backseat time.
Just pull them out or what else do you do?
Oh yeah. Get out of my life.
You want me to get some footage?
Oh, it's going.
Oh, it's going.
Yep.
Wow.
Alright, we're well on our way. Got the harness bar, the bottom of the back seat. I'm going to go ahead and get these rear quarters off, and then we'll pull the rest of the back seat out of here, and then we'll start on the carpet. Making moves.
Good stuff.
And another one. Woohoo! Back seat is gone. Man, that is weird. Probably put the mats back in, even on the paint, actually, to be honest. Just so it's protecting what my feet are.
You think that makes sense, yeah. Where you're not just like full bare metal.
Not the rear mats, obviously, but
Yeah. I get that.
what if it's going to be easier or harder to keep? I don't know, dude.
It'll look easier at first because you're not going to be able to see all these specks like you are with the carpet. But
It's going to get dirty.
it's going to get dirty kind of like that. Like it's just going to kind of start being like pools of dirt.
Yeah. Okay, first one.
All right. Got that first piece off.
Officially happening.
Being a bugger.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Just these tight corners.
Most of it just looks like we can peel away, but that's looking pretty stuck around.
That's probably going to have to be cut off. But once we get around there, this stuff will be easy at least.
All around.
This all is just one big piece. Whew!
It's kind of come along finally.
Destroy time, dude.
Jesus. Finally got around the pedal.
Yeah.
It does still look super clean under. No rust so far. I don't think there's any rust in this thing.
Hell no, there's no rust. Shoot. Kidding me? You gotta buy a rusty car.
See, I feel like this is now going to be the satisfying part of you just being able to pull it out now. Oh, yeah.
You called it. Alright, let's move some of these tools.
Oh, yeah. First chunk.
Get out of my life.
The only thing holding you back now is wires. Oh, yeah. That is not bad at all.
Dude, right?
It like looks new. What the heck?
Clean it up a little bit, get rid of some of the junk.
Yeah. That's crazy. What did you say this year was?
97.
97.
How much crap is in some of this stuff though? That's wild. Oh, okay. I see how you want to play weather stripping. Yeah. What's up? Kind of diary. Just awkward positions and
It's like super weird angles that you have to go to.
reminded me of when I was being a mechanic.
Good old mechanic days. Take you way back.
Oh my god. This is f***ing styrofoam back here. Look at this.
What?
Why is this in here as insulation?
Styrofoam!
It's so hard to move. Why? With a sharper knife, there's just no way.
You're not gonna cut those, are you? Oh no, you're cutting. Okay. I thought you were just gonna be like, yeah, no, I don't need this.
Oh, I'm gonna figure out what it's for first.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. There's just like 1,000 wires going absolutely nothing.
Please. Oh, this is literally my worst nightmare.
I think they were just bored one day. They're like, I'm gonna crib some wires.
Dude,
and
there's
it's great.
fuses and freaking
There's fuses on it.
everywhere. Like, what is happening? This is plugged into nothing. It's just a random oh, wires are cut going into it, and that is just sketchy. Ultimate sketch. Note to self: don't dig too deep in your car. No, I'm just kidding. Don't dig weird stuff. There's so much styrofoam in here. It's ridiculous. I am not a fan of styrofoam.
Anybody from your past can vouch. Oh, please.
Oh,
Alright, so.
look at that. That is just stupid. Oh.
Okay.
And then this stupid Alpine
Oh, it's all over my
security
hands.
system. Shh, we have a vacuum for later. Shh. Making progress, though.
Oh yeah. Finally, the satisfying feeling of actually pulling it out.
The passenger side would be more difficult than the driver's side.
I was definitely thinking this one was going to be cake compared to the other
Yeah,
side.
do you know how much sense that makes? Literally none. Makes no sense.
Because it shouldn't have been really attached to much.
Yeah.
But no, we got this that was in there. Like a foot of styrofoam.
I'm gonna write BMW a letter.
Or whoever owned this before you.
Yeah.
Alright, so I ripped out the carpet and it was ridiculous. Dude have a heart attack. You ripped out the carpet?
You probably would because it's immaculate. BMW owner of America.
And you're just going full track build on this thing. Yeet.
Good come.
What was that?
Stay frosty, young one.
Stay frosty.
Young bloods.
Oh yeah.
Just one little piece left.
Full race car is coming along nicely.
It's a good start.
Just had to pull the trigger on ripping that old carpet out.
I like it. I think it was a good call. Alright, back on the next day, and so the real work begins. Gotta take all of this sound deadening out. Got the tools of the trade there, some putty knives, and a heat gun. It's gonna be a long process, but gotta be done. Alright, just like that, the tar is up. And I gotta start hitting it with the adhesive remover. Get all the little bits and pieces off. That's gonna be a whole nother job in itself, but it's starting to come along. Alright, making progress. This adhesive is terrible. But it is coming off. I hate this seam sealer, but we're getting there. Just gotta keep scrubbing and scraping. Alright, here we are at the end of day 2. It's done. I still have a lot of wire cleanup and stuff to do, but I'm gonna wait until I get some good wire tape in. I ordered some. It should be here by next weekend, so that'll be a whole nother project, but all in all, pretty clean. I mean, in the long run, there's a lot more I want to do. I mean, I want to paint the whole interior, but for now, I'm feeling pretty good about the whole thing. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, probably next weekend. Have a good one.